Hey guys, Tyler here at Primasing Motors. Today we are taking a look at the tailgate, more importantly the MultiFlex tailgate portion of this 2026 GMC 1500 Denali Ultimate. Some things we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to use all of everything that the MultiFlex tailgate starts with. First thing to note is there are two buttons. You have a top button and a bottom button. The top button is going to function the MultiFlex part. The bottom button is going to function the whole tailgate. What I like to do is let gravity use the work, and if you have a hitch, do not do this, and I'll tell you why here soon. But hit both buttons, and then everything comes down, and then you can take that step down and be able to climb in and out of the bed. Next thing you're going to want to do is with the tailgate up, and then you're looking at trying to haul any sort of material, lumber, drywall, anything like that, you can put this up and have a little backing for it so that way you can haul that stuff down the road. With the tailgate up, if you pull the MultiFlex part down, you can put extra lumber, you can do kayaks, things like that. This is a step, so you can put a little bit of weight on it, just don't overload it, and good thing there. Like I was telling you, if you do have a hitch, if you were to drop the MultiFlex tailgate down, you're going to get a nice little dent here. One easy way of avoiding that is if you hit and hold the top button, you're going to see the tail light flash here in just a moment. And what that does is now I cannot, no matter what I do, I cannot drop this top part down. It locks that in place. And how you unlock it is just hold it again. Tail light's going to flash just like that. And now I can drop this down. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at Primasing or come down and see us at 1211 Main Street. Phone number 541-258-8191. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much.